Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to wish you all a happy 2020. I hope your 2019 was absolutely amazing and filled with lots of blessings, and that your 2020 will be even more prosperous and successful for each and every one of you. I know it's been a while and I haven't posted in a few weeks or maybe a month, but I did have a little bit of a rough December. I did lose a loved one during the festive season. It was just, it was something else, but I'm here, I'm alive, and I'm getting there emotionally. But just please pray for me and my emotional well-being. But anyway, I thought I would start the year off on a light note and do a quick tutorial of this look. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to do. Anyway, yeah. So I never style my hair on when it's dry, so I usually just start with wet hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite leave-in cream. Y'all already know the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. So I'll just moisturize my hair with this. And lately I have been loving this, oh gosh, this rich oil mist from Tresemme. So I'm gonna go in with this just to seal in all that moisture. It's got aloe in it, so it adds to, you know, the moisture that's already there. So I'm just gonna seal all that off. And it smells so good, like coconut-ish, you know. Do I have hair now stuck on my face? Yeah, I did. Okay. And now I'm just going to, especially my ends, but because I'm going to wash off the edge control tonight and I'm going to re-moisturize my hair, I'm not going to go in with a lot of product because that'll just be a waste. And then I'm just gonna now brush my hair up so I can put it in a pony. Oopsie. And then one thing that you don't want to do is just like do it too tightly. You do not want to do that. Okay. So now it's nice and tied up. What I'm then gonna do is just go in with my ISO Plus edge control. This is about like 40 rand at Clicks and Skin. I think like it's 35 rand now. So what I'm gonna do is just apply some to my edges and just to lay the rest of my hair down. I'll probably go in with a little bit more after I take off my doek after doing my makeup. But yeah, that's basically it. It's what I do when I put my hair up in a bun. I'm just gonna like, because now when it dries, it's not gonna dry completely flat because it's so wet. So I'm gonna have to go in with a little bit more afterwards. but it's cheap, so I don't mind like applying quite a bit. You catch my drift? Yes. Ooh. Okay. And you just want to brush this flat like so. And then we'll just style our edges once we are done with our makeup. Yeah, you can just take your blow dryer and actually dry it with that while you still have your look on, just to lay it flat, you know. But I'll just go back in with my edge control afterwards, just to lay it nice and flat. Yeah. So lovies, this is the final look. I just thought instead of doing a normal high bun, let me just do a little side sweep. You know, I added some hair extensions. I'm just waiting for them to dry because I did wet them a little bit. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you love this look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, yay or nay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and I will see you guys next time. Have a beautiful, beautiful, amazing day further.
Subscribe.